So ni'n gweithio da yn Cyngor a ym Pencada bydd ni'n hoffi gweld rhywbeth fel hyn. So, sut bydd ni'n gallu finaliso rhywbeth fel hyn?
Mae'n digon rhad rwydd i wneud. Fi'n mynd mewn i Saesneg nawr os mae hwnna'n okay?
Yeah, of course.
The first thing we did was contact Benthyg, which is the all-world umbrella support organisation for libraries of things. And they're amazing. They come out and they give you advice and they link you up with other libraries. We've been to visit other libraries in Wales, so we've been to Newport, to the Remake office and shop, and we're going to Llanymmdyfri hopefully very, very soon. It's just a very open and friendly network, well worth doing. With us, we've been really lucky. Pencada is very, very similar, and you've got a good close community. So we've had lots of things donated. Of all the items here, we've got 86 items in stock, and we've only bought 8 items. Everything's been donated from the community. Really so once you get going and you get community support, people will drop in and support, and it helps them as well because they don't want things cluttering up their homes, so and they can always borrow things back.
Sut mae'r system yn gweithio?
Mae software arbennig dyn ni, special software o cwmni o'r enw Llanymmdyfri. They're based in Cardigans. They're a local Welsh company, but we feel that we need the support because we're all about keeping things local. And it's a very special system, so you can load everything up onto online. People sign up online and they can look online as well, a bit like an Argos catalogue. So you look through, see what you want, click on it, choose the dates you want, and then just pop in to pick it up. Completely free. We don't charge anyone to join or sign up. So even if they just want to sign up and not actually use the service, they just want to look through, we encourage that as well. Because you never know when you might need a hedge trimmer or a carpet cleaner.
So os bydd ni yn set o rhywbeth fel hyn lan, bych chi'n fod yn dod draw fel yn Cyngor i helpu ni?
Bydd e'n pleser. Ath i lan i Castell Emlyn ac roedd yr PAWB yna, oedd e'n gred. A ni still yn gweithio gyda'r PAWB Emlyn. A ni'n gweithio yn gilydd, nhw'n ffono fi am gwybodaeth am y system achos fi'n gwybod y Llanymmdyfri system a fi'n helpu nhw. A maen nhw'n helpu ni hefyd yn siaro ideas a beth maen nhw'n lan i hefyd. Bydd e'n pleser i cael chi lawr fan hyn. Gall unrhyw un dod ar unrhyw bryd jyst i cael look around a gweld beth i ni'n neud yma.